What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of Huawei Mate 40 Pro. So it is capable of recording 4K resolution videos at 60 fps, and if you use the beautification mode or any of the filters provided, then the video resolution will be reduced to full HD. The front camera of Huawei Mate 40 Pro also comes with the support for wide angle. So right now I'm recording this video at 1x. Now it's at 0.8x, and here we go at the widest range, that's 0.6x. And let's go back to 1x now. For video recording we also got 4x and 8x slow motion video recording along with the time-lapse feature and some filters obviously. We also got the AR lens feature for the front-facing camera on Huawei Mate 40 Pro. For photos, we got Leica filters, we got the portrait mode, that is the combination of bokeh effect and the beautification, and then we got the night mode as well for the pictures, and we got the panorama mode as well. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea that if you are going to use the Huawei Mate 40 Pro front-facing camera, so how good or bad it will be in terms of quality. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. So do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, because lots of more videos of Huawei Mate 40 Pro and the detailed camera review of the device are going to be uploaded very soon. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.